mighty grand welcome to all of you for the TSi Business Conference 2025. Welcome to TSi Ignite Awards. We are a family and we are here to support, celebrate and encourage each other.
We have attended 6 conferences, all of TSi, and every time we came home with 2 trophies.
Generally, we don't sell product, we sell solutions.
We started our journey with TSi since last 8 years, and it's our 9th years going on, and we feel very proud and thankful to TSi Power team.
Our customers really very happy with the TSi Power product. Our team is confident and I am really very much happy to get this award.
The equipment what they make are top world class and solves many industrial problems which are related to power fluctuations.
And it is truly motivating us to achieve greater heights in the coming years.
So this business meet, we are bringing all our value chain together, all the stakeholders. The theme is transparency.